Damn, it's creepy down here.
Queepy. I don't think there's any sharks, so we should be
Can
good.
you imagine if a shark popped up just right in front of us?
We'll probably lose that fight.
Probably. All I'm saying, if I was like trapped on an island by myself, dude, and I had to go in an undercave water tunnel, hell no. Oh, what the?
Oh my
Oh shit!
gosh, bro. What the fuck?
Don't hit me, bitch! Don't hit
I
me, bitch!
don't have the light.
I got it.
Nice. Oh my gosh, what the fuck?
You good? Let's
Yo,
go.
I didn't know there was this many
Oh
enemies.
shit! Water slide.
Oh yeah, water slide. Yo,
All right.
let me get my light out, because that was terrible.
I'm guessing we gotta go this way.
When I
Oop.
watched dude's stream, like, uh, well, I guess he was playing it on peaceful, so there was no enemies at all.
Must be nice.
Right?
Okay.
Just walking through the game, no worries.
Oh look, bro. There's a cave this way, and I think this is the way we have to go.
Yeah. Wait, this should.
Oh, I'm gonna put some bone armor on real quick. I made some.
Some bony armor. There's enemies right there. The one dude is like,
Oh yeah, there's three of them.
I'm killing this one.
There's six of them, seven of them, eight of them.
Wow. Okay.
Back it up, back
Let's
it
go
up.
back.
I don't think I can make it past that little corner right there, but I have an idea.
I got nades.
I got a time bomb.
Slowed it down. Ooh. Yeah, time to get some.
Oh,
Nice.
oh
Some
yeah.
skin armor. Creepy armor.
There you go. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this time bomb real quick. Bitch. Got two of them right there.
It's more of them motherfuckers right there.
Oh, bitch. Your small ass titties.
Nice. Itty bitties.
It's some itty bitties.
What they call them, petite. Oh no, that's the body.
Nah, you were right the first time. Some
Itty
itty
bitties.
bitties.
Right. You got no nipples.
So I kept it hard. He said you ain't got no nipples.
The stand up.
Yeah.
I probably won't use any more armor just for them to take that shit off, dude. I've learned. Be better off healing up.
Ooh. Want to save it for when you're out the base and I'll sneak attack you and shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna save it for, critical times. I still got armor on. I got like, a little more than half. There's nothing there. We can just explore as we can do, since we got each other, so it won't be so hard. What's over here? It's usually items and shit. Nothing. Oh,
I'm gonna take my
take
fucking
off.
mask off.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
I saw you wearing it.
I just thought about that shit. Wasting the air. I think it automatically equips it when we get in the water, though.
I think so too, yeah, yeah.
Oh, dude. It's those things with the two bodies. Hold on. Let's see if they come back here
Oh.
and we can. Hold on. Oh yeah, yeah. The stick. You got any arrows?
I
Oh my
don't.
gosh. Oh
Wait,
my
I
gosh,
think I'm...
dude.
Oh, shit.
Go back here.
Hold up. I think I might actually. I have a couple. I have three crossbolts. Then I have Oh, this one. Carbon fiber. Some carbon fibers. Oh! Watch out, watch out, watch out!
Oh my gosh, dude, fucker.
Oh, bitch.
Full check, full check.
Double team his ass. Don't even get him up.
Right.
He can't even get up, bro.
Oh, wait,
Ah!
wait, he's like,
What is
dude,
it?
there we go, nice.
What was that?
Can you skin him?
Yeah.
I want to see if I can skin him too.
Dude, he spit on me, bro. The fuck?
Oh no, okay. Only one of us can skin him.
So we can only skin the monsters once, but we get like duplicate of gear.
Yes, sir. Oh, look at this fucker.
Ooh.
Wait.
He's a hard one too.
Yeah, that's what she said. Yeah. He coming, bro. He coming.
Oh! Where's he at? Oh!
I took
ready?
the attention.
Run away in 2 seconds. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Got him.
You got me too.
Oh no!
No, it's my fault. Don't worry about it.
Fuck. He put...
God damn it. He got me again. Don't
Oh,
die.
what the fuck? Actually, you're blocking the way for them.
God damn it. This motherfucker.
Alright. Get your hair. No, distracting. Distracting him? Distracting him?
Nice, thank you. Shit, this motherfucker.
Here, skin these 2 guys too when I kill them. I need to get some more on the back from these guys.
Nice. I got,
Oh, shit! No! Oh! Back it up.
Give me a second,
I'm
give me a
dead.
second.
I'm down. Careful.
oh, fucking.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Dude.
Holy shit.
Just run away, bro.
Can't take them bullets. It's taking bullets for real. I think he died.
Right here, we're near me. Yeah, careful over here too. Excuse me.
Is it 2 of them? Oh my gosh. I took the meds. What's going on?
If you take meds and they hit you, it stops regenerating your health.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
I learned that the hard way.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
Run. Oh shit! Fuck is that?
I had to pull the pistol out. Fuck that shit. Yeah. Eat them bullets,
Like,
pussy.
like, oh, there's a third one. Fuck. I might have time to bring out a fucking pistol. Damn it.
They just gotta die this time. Fuck that shit. I think I ran out of ammo. Oh no, I'm good. Reload. It's 2 more. I'm coming back to get you, dude. Just give me a second.
No, you're all good. Take your time, man. There's a lot of them.
A lot of them.
Yeah, there was a lot of them. There was like
Yeah,
5
yeah,
of them.
yeah.
So one of those-
And this enemy's behind us too. Hold on, let me figure this out. I don't want to take out my stuff and they come
I know.
doing some stupid shit. And exactly. I'm glad. No! Dude.
We gotta respawn?
Yeah.
Alright.
They had
All good,
trapped
all
me.
good.
I didn't have any nades preset. Hopefully we respawn close. Son of a bitch.
When we get back over there, we should make a save right there.
That'd be a good idea.
Oh no, we're back at the beginning, bro. Without any of our shit? How the fuck? Okay,
I
was
got
gonna
my
say.
stuff right here.
I was gonna say, you know how jacked up that would be? We have to go get a whole new zip line to get all our shit back.
Yeah, that would be horrible. Oh, he did hit me and stop my regeneration. Fucker.
Yeah,
Ooh. Molotov. I got like 6 bottles, bro.
we should make some Molotovs, huh?
Yeah.
Do I have any armor? No. Oh, next time we kill him, bro, we gotta fucking make some bones.
Shit. I might be able to drop you some stuff. I think I got.
I got some creepy armor right now. I'm put on.
Flare is it?
Dark. Oh, I hear
This
him.
dude right
Oh
here.
shit!
My flare ain't even working.
You gotta right click
You
it.
gotta like. Okay.
Yeah. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. There, bitch. Oh.
Yeah. Light his ass up. It's
Oh,
another one.
shit.
Another one. Another one.
I'm reloading.
He's dead. Look, they was already weak.
What's up, bitch? That's right.
Right? Oh, nice. I can switch through I can switch through arrow sets. Stone, printed 3D. Stone, nice. Like you was saying, they were already they saved like what we did.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty nice.
I mean, for hard mode, they fucking give us something, you know.
Right. Oh, look at that dude right there.
Jump.
Oh, behind us.
Oh shit. Here, he's here. I'm playing games now. I'm tired of your ass.
Full check. Spit
Yeah,
that
bitch.
lube on me. You see this shit, dude?
He said some lube on me. Yeah, no. He was. Oh, felt like I was like fucking Mary Jane with Spider-Man right there. What the fuck, dude?
It was all that ooze, bro. I ran out of pistol ammo, so I'm gonna have to.
Yeah, burn that motherfucker. Get his bones. We can make some bone armor.
Hell yeah.
Where's he at? Oh, you can't pick him up.
Yeah, shit, you can put the fire right there on his ass.
Hell yeah.
Leaves. I want to put some leaf on real quick.
Hopefully it gives you some bones. Looks like, his whole top half is all fucked up.
Yeah, hopefully. But if not, I'll just use a ton of leaves. We need to get cloths and leaves
Alright,
next time.
Cloth and leaves.
Cloths and leaves. Yo, do you still got your fucking what is that rebreather on?
Yeah, I think so.
Take that shit off.
Shit, watch out. One's here.
God damn.
Yeah, let's just run past this guy. Fuck it, let's go.
Yeah.
Fuck you, ho. I'll stun you real quick. Then dip out. You good?
Yeah, let me go by.
There you go. Stunned him.
Does mine's even work? Yours is like making a sound.
You have
Oh,
to
there,
hold
you
right
gotta
click.
hold it. Okay.
Yeah. We gotta make our way out real quick. This is run past in like that first cave.
Hell yeah.
Flashlight attachment right here, bro. I'll distract him. Come here, bitch.
Oh, nice.
Alright, let's go. Behind you, careful. Just keep on running if you can.
Hell yeah.
There's some ammo.
Where you get ammo at?
There's ammo right here. From these bodies right here. You see it on the ground.
Hell yeah. Oh my gosh, dude.
Keep running, bro. Just keep running. Keep running and looting. Yeah, I want to run past, but we need to loot.
Hell yeah, dude. I need that shit. The cave's right here. Baby's right here too. I ran past already.
Okay, babies. See the babies. Oh, there's a whole case over here.
A case of
more
what?
ammo? I got ammo.
God damn it. Yeah, I gotta go back and get that shit.
It's right here. It's all kinds. The lair's to the right.
Okay, I'm
It's right
going.
around that corner. Careful.
I'll meet
Right here,
you.
right
Let
here,
me
right here.
just I know. Let me go with this other stuff that I didn't even get to get.
Alright, alright. Oh, I'm down. Fuck.
I'm coming to get you.
I have no fucking stamina.
At all.
Nope.
That
I'm
motherfucker
low.
running fast. Grenade. Babies.
I don't know, man. I think hard mode's pretty good in caves.
Yeah, hard mode
Oh.
it's
Yeah, I think.
tough, dude. I'm talking about it's so closed in, you can't just run like that. Plus there's stamina
Yeah.
too, so.
Oh yeah, my stamina's low. That's what fucked me over.
Oh, I think I can. Oh yeah, I'm about to kill these motherfuckers right here, dude. Are you Are you up?
Nuh-uh.
You dead?
Halfway dead.
Okay,
What's
okay.
that? Yeah, you have two stealth time.
Okay, no, no, shit, I'm coming now. There's a rock that you can stand on and just keep attacking them. Holy shit. We
Oh,
gotta go, we gotta go.
I'm down again. They one-shot me
I'm
again.
coming, dude. Let me go up
No,
here
you're
so I
good,
can heal
bro.
myself.
The good thing is you reset the death timer.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, yeah. So now I'm back. You're good.
Okay, there's a lake right here, so
Hey, you should go on that rock and take out your Molotovs, dude.
smart. Fucking smart. Smart. Very
And
smart.
they're all, yeah, yeah. Dude, get them all on that shit.
How much time you got?
Halfway again, halfway.
Okay.
Oh, I see like a big old baby foot on my screen.
Nice. L. God damn.
He's all crawling next to me. Has his ass on my base. Fuck. Alright, I'm almost dead. Can I run away? I'm gonna get one shot. Ah,
You
I'm
go
gonna run
ahead, man.
away. Hell yeah. Thank you, dude. Thank you.
The fuck? How you light this thing? Oh, you got a whole L. God damn it. I just threw a whole bottle.
Damn, we went far in there.
Yeah, yeah.
Hell yeah.
What those dudes at? No, there you go. Burn, baby, burn. Cooking your
Fuck, where'd you
ass.
come from, little baby? Oh, bitch, get shocked, little baby.
Cook this motherfucker. Cook your
Yeah,
ass.
here.
Oh, there's a better rock right here. Holy shit. If we ever have to come back here, yo. Hell yeah. That's what you get.
Oh shit. That's a
Fuck with
baby.
me and the homie. Fuck with me and the homie. Yeah. Yo, there's a dude you can raid.
You said raid.
Raid his body. And this fucker right here.
Should we shock him to death? Let's see. Damn,
There
bro,
we
this
go.
is how security at workout should be, bro.
Right.
Fucking,
I feel like he might
give me
have
that wine.
took more damage because he's in the water and shit.
That's true too, huh?
If this
Can
game
we
want to
drink
be
right here?
realistic. Ooh,
You should be able to
nades.
drink this water.
Some dirty water, man. I don't know. They've been bathing in this water, so probably toxic.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
We made it. We cleared this whole fucking area, dude. Nice.
Fuck yeah. Can you imagine that by yourself, though?
Man, I would have ran past all this shit and just kept dying. That's the thing, dude, because you just keep getting trapped. It's like this fucking beast, this beast, like monster,
Yeah,
whatever
like-
the fuck.
You clear one cave, and you have to go do another. Oh shit! Now we're in the water again. Which way do we have to go? Look left and right. We're good. Go straight.
Squate of head. Nice.
Oh,
and
we got
these
some people?
enemies right here.
Kind of running by though. I'm running by.
Yeah.
I'm running.
Too many of them.
Looking the ground though. I'm checking. Oh! I see some light.
Oh,
I see
right
the
here,
light.
right here. We made it.
I see the light.
We made it, dude. It's the shovel right here. Yes. And it's enemies right here, of course.
Can we get it and just dip out? We got the shovel. We got the shovel. Can we get this rock? Here, Blue, get up here. Get up here.
Nice. Ooh, shit.
Let me take out my Molotov real quick.
Oh, you can attack with the shovel.
Oh, they can get here. There. One towards me. One towards me.
Holy shit. Yeah.
You just keep on running. Keep on running. Keep on running.
Dude, I am out of stamina. This motherfucker's
Ready?
like...
I'm popping grenades. Keep on running. Keep on running. Keep on running. Got that grenade going. Hey.
Nice, dude. I'm popping a
Bitch.
pill. Popping a pill.
Popping a pill. Oh!
Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. Oh, fucking
Oh,
A.
no.
I'm down.
Moment.
We got the
that's a
shovel,
good thing.
though. We got the
Honestly.
fucking shovel, yeah.
We got it. You know. Now we get a free ride to the entrance.
Right. Then look, bruh. Dude, this dude fucking played peaceful. We over here killing everybody.
The crazy thing is, like, the two people makes it even harder.
Oh yeah, it scales up, huh?
Yep. So if we have Ricky and Dan playing, imagine, bro.
I feel like it'd be a little easier, but still be tougher.
Oh yeah. Well,
Maybe
to me,
more
it
enemies.
depends. Yeah. Where's that shovel at? Is that my inventory? It better be right there. There it is.
Wait it.
Yeah, yeah. We good?
Is it on the left? Or
It's on the right. All right. All right.
Ooh, there we go. I got some skin pouches. Hold on. I can't open them, I guess, because I got too much inventory.
All right. Let's dip out then.
Let's get up out of
See,
here. We started
we good.
entrance too, bro. Fast travel. Get killed, you
Literally.
fast travel.
Now I could drink some water, huh? Yeah. See? There you go.
Thirsty.
Oh, you fucking bitch. Come here. You think you're nothing compared to those fucking cave monsters.
Right.
The fuck think you are?
Stay staggered too.
Give me your leg. Here, there we go. Now we got some food. Thanks, food.
Some human food.
And we can burn you.
Yum.
Make our food while burning you. Shit, we're
Yum.
starting to become experts in this game now.
Pros. Promatic.
Hey, where's his body at? Pick you up.
Cook his ass.
There we go. There we go.
Ooh, I forgot too, dude. Fucking leaf armor is the shit. You can just waste that all day. So many leaves.
Right.
Well, no, I guess we don't have so many claws.
Be like, see this? You guys all see this? This is your homie getting burned alive.
Right, they came over here too. You ain't shit compared to the motherfuckers in the cave. You just come over here to get killed.
For real.
All right, Calvin, did you get me some stuff, man?
No, I got some
Oh,
legs
there you
cooking
go.
right here.
I got a fish head to eat.
Behind you, watch out. Bitch, I got the stick too out. Here, homie.
Scream? Shit, scream that. Take this axe to the chest.
Man, you gotta make me use my medication now, man. Come on, man.
Burn,
Bro, I
baby.
thought that was an enemy, but that was you just carrying her next to me.
He is an enemy. Well, she is an enemy. A dead enemy.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, dude, there's a dude over there. Red body looking motherfucker. Oh, that's Virginia. Jeez.
Oh, hell yeah. Here, come here, Virginia.
Get that pistol.
Yeah, I'm gonna give her mine.
Pistola.
Yeah, so you can give it to her. And a GPS locator, bro. That's how you keep it track of, Virginia. Look at that.
Nice.
You see that green? It's on your map now.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
Look at her with that pistol, bro. Looks like
Oh, shit. It's like a turret. Turn it.
oh,
She's
shit.
pointing
Oh,
at somebody.
fucking shoot her ass then,
You're right, you
Virginia.
got the gun.
Bitch. Wow.
Just girl. Give her the
Yeah.
gun just to hold it.
What you doing, Calvin? Go get more fish, bitch. Or at least right here. Chill right here. Alright. Oh, another guy's here. You want some? Oh, bam!
Give him what for? 207. Let me put this leaf on.
Dude, I actually kind of like the enemies now coming because
Right.
now we get free armor.
Free armor. Look at me real quick.
Oh, look at that. That looks
Leaf man
sick.
blue. Oh shit.
Bro, you have a mask on and everything.
Yo, it's
Looking
fire.
like you with the mask on.
Leaf man blue. Blue leaf.
Hold up.
Call
We
me
got
blue
some more
leaf.
fire real quick. Blue leaf.
Blue leaf.
There you go.
Bluest
More
leaf.
bones. Damn, there's a lot of bones left. Let's see, there's something.
Let me know when you're done grabbing. I'm gonna grab some.
No, keep on going. Grab whatever you need because I don't have any more rope, so you can probably make more bone armor.
I can't even take any more bones. Oh, I can make some bone armor real quick.
Yeah, yeah, make it and then take some bones. Yep. Here, bro. I'm gonna give you my ammo too because I gave Virginia my gun, so there's no point for me having my ammo.
Oh wait.
I feel like plus you're the one who's like, fuck it, and pulls it out.
Oh yeah,
I'm
fuck
like-
that shit. Shit, get real. The first thing I'm doing is shooting motherfuckers.
Oh,
You already
shit.
know. What, I need some more rope? Okay.
Hell yeah, Calvin already brought 3 fish already.
Nice, Calvin.
Let me give you my ammo real quick. Should be able to get. Damn,
Get
she's popping
heads-
off over
right,
there.
there you go, Virginia. Shit. Headshots,
go.
please.
I have 25 rounds. I'm
What?
giving you all of it.
That's 25 headshots.
Hell yeah, make it work.
Behind us, I think.
Alright, 5 more. 3 more. Done.
One more.
Okay, we're good. It's all yours now.
Oh, it's Calvin. This nigga running by like that.
He's pointing at someone now.
Yeah. Virginia got fucked up again. What is wrong with her?
I think we're good now. Should we head out?
Yeah, let's go get the
Need more bones? There's more bones right here for you.
yeah, I'll take them. Let me let's go get the shovel place. Remember? That's the first thing we
Alright.
tried to do when we played.
I know, huh?
Right now we can do it.
Tell Calvin to follow me. We have a GPS locator on Virginia. We're good, bro. Oh, you got your leaf. Oh, there you go. You smart.
Right, I jumped in the water instantly.
Right? Now let's head out. Where we going now?
Let's do this. Let's see.
Yeah, you got defense?
Yeah, I got you.
Hell yeah, thank you.
Calvin, you ran off like a pussy.
Where's Virginia at, man? She ain't doing shit. Bro, it's the underground entrance.
Oh shit, nice. The other one is a weapon, I think. Maybe that's a weapon in the entrance. that. Is that a raw fish? It better not be raw fish. I meant rotten fish. Okay, no, it's good.
All right, let's go in this bitch. Hold out. Tell fucking Calvin to chill. We'll be hidden.
Where you dip off.
Stay here, hidden. Go hide, bitch. Bring out my baton.
You don't got no leaf armor or nothing?
Nah, I do, but that's all good. I'll make it in there.
It's all good in the hood.
Shit, I got
The
blue.
hood is good.
Blue carries me in the Suns.
Oh
I was
no.
telling Ricky, I'm like, Blue's the fucking... He like the guns and ammo. He's the fucking strength over in Sun before us. I'm the builder. I'm the architect.
Man, we a team. There you go.
Yep. Oh shit. Energy drinks and shit. Hell yeah. Tape on the ground.
Is that a baby? Oh, it's a fucking baby. Oh, look at this crib. We got a nice ass crib.
Oh, we up. Look at that. Shit. Look at this picture. Oh, they have a printer here too, dude.
Hell yeah.
Oh, a key card collected.
Nice, dude.
A maintenance one.
I'm gonna clear out these babies.
There's a laser sight for the guns. An email. Team, this afternoon it was discovered that a painting from Mr. Puffkin's personal collection has gone missing. If anyone has any information, please talk to me directly.
You see my screen?
Oh shit, what's going on over there?
I've been clearing the babies out, yeah. Like 8 babies over here. I know you good though. Don't worry about it. It's only one left. Go ahead, do your thing. Perry.
Shit, this you get.
Fucking baby. Alright. Oh, it's one left.
Tenet line book? I don't want that book. Bro, look at my screen. What the fuck happened to this dude?
Oh gosh. He was at Arby's eating.
There's a tuxedo in here if you want a tuxedo.
Nice.
Oh, we could save here and sleep here too. I'll save real quick.
Bro, this is a nice spot, dude. I just got a new axe, a fire axe. Whoa.
Fuck yeah.
Right here at the fucking thing. Yo, sick. Oh yeah. It's better than the axe I had before. Where is that axe at? Oh, there it is. Firefighter axe. Tactical axe. Let's see which one is better. Speed, speed, damage, block. The damage is high as
Hey, bro.
hell. Nice.
I'm making all kinds of arrows for us.
Hell
We're
yeah.
stocking up on arrows here.
Got some food. Refrigerator, food. Oh, chessboard. You know how to play chess?
Chess? No, not in real life. In game, I do.
What do you mean in game? It's the same thing. This nigga.
I'm just saying.
I was about to say it's the same game, dude. Do you know how to play chess?
No,
It's
I don't.
it's easy. Chess is
Really?
easy. Yeah. I haven't played it in a while, but I mean it's pretty easy to pick up. My cousin taught me when I was a kid, but it's pretty easy. It's not easy to beat someone that knows how to play though. But it's easy to learn.
Fair enough.
Oh, tuxedo.
That's what makes it hard. The opponent.
Yeah, that's what makes it tough, the opponent, but it's easy to, you know, play and to learn. But you're playing against other people, I mean, you have to have, you know, skill.
This music, man, makes you feel some type of way.
Music Man. Today's Monday, 13th. Going at 10:30. And I'm off Tuesday,
Here,
yo.
bro.
Tuesday,
Come,
boy.
come get these arrows. That's all. That's all you right there. Because you
God
can only
damn it.
hold 20 of them. And
Oh,
they're
for real?
behind right here too.
Tuesday's gonna be a
Look at
good day.
you wearing flippers?
Am I? Oh, I got the scuba suit on. Look at me.
Hell yeah. Oh, the wetsuit we got?
Yeah.
Nice.
I said scuba. Wetsuit.
Hey, bro, get all those arrows. Yep. I'll make you more though. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll make
yeah.
you 20. That's the max we can hold.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So we have them all up here now. Hell yeah, 20 of them bitches.
20 on.
Get those ones?
Hello.
Yeah, one of those. Okay, so let's see. That. How do I look?
Look at him. I can't wait to get the full set though. Techman Beats.
Techman Beats. What's up,
Pac-Man.
bud? I'm about to give you some PCP and do the fucking light show.
That shit's cool.
Oh, shit.
Fucking flippers on and shit.
I know, this
Yeah, let's go. Let's go to the other dig site and see if we can get some good stuff. So anytime we get tech stuff, you can use the tech and just give me the leaf stuff. I'm fine with the leaf
guy.
or creepy armor.
I'll give you all my. Let's see here. So we need cloth.
Yeah,
23 cloth.
Damn, dude.
So here you go.
You don't have to give
Yeah,
me all
well,
of it.
I'll give you at least half of it. Well,
Yeah, that's good.
I'll left. And then
I got a ton of leaves. I mean, I stay with the leaves. You already know.
okay.
Give 'em all.
Yeah, we good then.
I got 400 leaves. Leaf man juke, I'm here. Hey man, that leaf farm, I'm telling you. It's cheap, but it's real
Hey.
good. Let's do
yeah.
this.
We good now, shit.
Fucking rock music. This is our new crib right here. We need to have to build this shit.
No, huh?
Oh, wire.
The good thing is that I have a key card for that maintenance now. We can go back to that one cave.
Hell yeah.
You have an energy bar?
I already used it. I mean, I have more, but I used it and that didn't help. That's why you see the nighttime, it's all purple around the nighttime. That's what
Yeah.
happened when I used the energy bar. It's possible this isn't the room for the key. It's probably another one. Hopefully it's not. Ooh, bacon bites. Bacon,
Bacon bites, cause you know.
biting bacon. Noodles and noodles.
Noodles. There you go. That's what you wanted. The food stock up now.
Yeah, hell yeah, dude. But this shit rotten, so we need to go back to the base and put it
Dry
up.
it out.
Yeah.
Dry it out. Dry
Oh
it out.
shit.
Does work. Huh?
Oh shit. Look at this.
Yeah, Blue. See, I told you, bro. I'm Brain's architect. Okay.
Hey, check them out for real. Got a fucking Hogwarts plant farm, V-Rosin plants.
Damn.
Nice.
What's in here? Oh, babies. Watch out. Awesome babies.
One hit. One hit.
Get that, bud. Fuck them up.
Y'all was in here by yourself?
Oops.
No, you good. You didn't even do anything to me.
Fuck these berries though.
I think I'm maxed out on berries and everything.
Oh, you can't carry more berries. Yeah. Fuck. Oh.
Ooh. You took them all? Okay, nice.
No, we both get those ones. Yeah.
Okay. No, I was trying to see if it took from both of our screens or not, but it didn't. Here's a box.
More printer resin right here.
C4 brick.
Oh, watch out. Back up. There.
Oh yeah, this fucking firefighter X is the shit, dude.
I have mine here. I have mine coming up. Oh, bitch.
Yeah, spit out that lube. Yo,
Yo,
the
what's
key
going
card
on over
rooms.
here?
Hell yeah. In real life, this should be crazy.
You wouldn't even catch me. I'd be like, no, I'm staying at base.
I'll be going out hunting. I brought us some new shit, Derek.
I'm like, hell yeah. You be telling me all these adventures and shit. I'm like, bro, check out the base though.
Right. Yeah, nice place to sleep.
Right.
We got a pool down here, don't we? I'm surprised we ain't
Shoot.
getting electrocuted.
About to get that Sons of the Forest gym card.
Hey, right. This should build up my strength, all this working out I'm doing.
For real.
It's another key card room.
Anything in here?
Nothing so far, but it's stairs up here, so.
Oh.
This is... Oh shit, look how that shit looks. Damn, I wish that was my screensaver.
Ew. They have the PC setups up in here with the ramen too, watching anime.
Right?
Oh, a VIP key card, bro.
Nice. Look at this room, though. That's a
Shit.
bad... Oh shit, they got fucked
Whoa.
up. Oh, they turned into them motherfuckers.
Oh.
Holy shit. What the fuck? How did that happen?
Bro, they're all just chilling, then they all just become the fucking monsters?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Got the energy drink.
It's probably something
Email.
they ate.
One more artifact to think they are related to the cube? Cube, huh?
Oh, this is Virginia's key card. Virginia Puffton.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, she used to be... Now she
So
has
Virginia
3
was
fucking
actually-
legs and 3 arms.
Now she's our bitch.
Right?
She
Milady.
used to be someone important.
It's Milady.
I'm gonna tell my fiance, I'm like, alright, Blues home at 9 o'clock probably. If I want you to go on Steam, open up Sons of the Forest and go to multiplayer and host that shit. That's all you gotta do is walk away.
Oh, dude, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna search caves, get some resources. Know what I'm saying? Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna just wander around and do shit.
I'll say, this game is a lot better with a friend though. Fucking by yourself, this shit would be kind of, it'd still be fun.
No, it's still fun. I mean, I play by myself.
Oh.
This is the room that they changed in, right?
Yeah, it is, huh?
Yeah. It's still nice.
Oh, look
it's
at
kinda
this.
fucked up.
Email. Hank, we have wasted another full afternoon and still have been unable to find any trace of the golf balls. This is entirely unacceptable. Damn, this really sounds like fucking Demi's emails. God, give me...
Yo.
What?
This big ass lady.
Oh, watch out, there's more. Distract him.
Yeah, they are pretty big. They fighting each other. Whoa. These motherfuckers
shit.
are strong.